video, we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Mall Road in Shimla with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel at the best price. In case you're looking out for couple-friendly hotels, we've also compiled a list of that and the link is in our description below. The Marina Shimla. This is Shimla's first designer boutique hotel, also one of the 5-star hotels in Shimla. The rooms here offer beautiful, imposing hills, picture-perfect landscapes, which are all set to turn your trip into a perfect holiday. This hotel is situated at Mall Road, which is the center of the city, which makes it accessible to all the tourist points. The hotel has a fitness center, it has an indoor swimming pool, it also has an in-house restaurant as well as a bar. You can enjoy the amazing views of the beautiful city from your bedroom windows. This hotel is recommended for people who are traveling along with their family and want to explore this beautiful city. Now the hotel has different categories of rooms available, priced at about 10,000 rupees, which goes up to 25,000 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. To make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. The Clarks Hotel is next up on our list. This is one of the oldest Grand Heritage hotels in Shimla, which was built in 1898. It is also one of the 4-star hotels in Shimla where you can enjoy the royal experience and amazing hospitality. This hotel is located in Mall Road, which is the center of the city, which makes it accessible to all the tourist spots. The hotel can also make arrangements for any kind of special occasion that you want to celebrate at the hotel. The hotel has an in-house restaurant, a bar, a lounge, as well as a coffee shop. It is also one of the hotels where you can enjoy the views of the lush green hills and also this beautiful city. Now this hotel has different categories of rooms available, starting from 8,000 rupees, which goes up to 12,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. The Honeymoon Inn is next up on our list. This hotel is just 10 minutes away from Mall Road, which is the busiest and the shopping streets of Shimla. The hotel also has a tour desk available where you can plan your day tours. The hotel also has an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service as well as an indoor gaming section. This hotel is absolutely couple-friendly, just as the name suggests. If you are visiting Shimla on your honeymoon, don't forget to book the honeymoon suite here, as you can enjoy the amazing views of this beautiful city. The rooms here are priced at about 3,800 to 6,000 rupees depending upon the category of rooms that you select. The Woodville Palace by Singnam is next up on our list. For all those of you who want to enjoy the beautiful sights of Shimla, this is the perfect place for you. This hotel is 5 minutes away from the city center. It provides access to all the tourist points. They provide you with high quality room facilities. They also have an indoor gaming section where you can enjoy table tennis and billiards. This is also one of the only hotels in Shimla which has a nightclub as well as a bar in the hotel. They also have a private seating area at the lawn where you can enjoy the beautiful sunset. This hotel is family friendly and also couple friendly, so don't forget to book a family room if you're visiting Shimla along with your family. The rooms here are priced at about 4,300, which goes up to 6,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. To make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. The Hotel Willow Banks is next up on our list. This is a colonial style hotel where you can enjoy the beautiful views of Shimla Valley and the mountains. This hotel is located on Mall Road, which is one of the busiest streets of Shimla. The Sky Bar here is Shimla's only rooftop and hookah lounge, which is available only at the Hotel Willow Banks. You can also enjoy their Ayurvedic massages at the Akasa Spa in the hotel. They also have services of a sauna, a steam. They also have an indoor gaming section where you can enjoy billiards and table tennis facilities. The in-house restaurant here comes with a stunning view of the mountains. Now this hotel has different categories of rooms available, starting from 6,000 rupees, which goes up to 15,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. You can also enjoy the hot tub depending upon the room category that you have selected. Don't forget to check the links in our description below. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure that you drop us a like button and also do subscribe back to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities. The Roxy Shimla is next up on our list. This hotel is known for its scenic beauty and lovely comfort since 1967. This hotel is one of the budgeted hotels located in Mall Road where you can enjoy the natural beauty with spectacular landscapes of the mountains. This hotel provides all the services and amenities for a good fine-class hotel. Do not forget to indulge yourself in a top-notch experience of the fire rooms. The hotel also has a multi-cuisine restaurant. The rooms here are priced at about 1,300 rupees onwards, and to make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. Summit Leh Royal Hotel. This hotel is about 5 minutes away from Shimla's famous shopping centre and culture hub. The multi-cuisine restaurant in this hotel serves the best local dishes made from their locally organic produce. You can also enjoy soothing massages at the Mehta Spa. It is one of the best staycation options with a pocket-friendly price. This hotel is absolutely family and kid-friendly. It also has a kids play area and a picnic area. You can also plan your tours at the tour desk in the hotel. Now the rooms here are priced at about 2,300 rupees, which goes up to 9,000 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. We have also attached the links in our description below for your direct booking. The Legacy Shimla is next up on our list. This hotel is about 5 to 10 minutes away from the busy Mall Road. This hotel provides all the basic facilities and amenities. The amenities include a restaurant and a lounge plus a terrace. They also provide bonfire facilities. The hotel here has a tour desk where you can plan your day tours. The hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 2,300 which goes up to 12,000 rupees. If you're visiting Shimla with your family, don't forget to book a family room which sleeps up to 4 guests and you can enjoy the beautiful city views from these rooms. We have also attached the hotel booking links in our description below. The Landmark Shimla is next up on our list. This hotel has an elevator access to the Mall Road. The restaurant in this hotel provides a variety of Indian as well as international cuisines. For those of you visiting Shimla on your honeymoon, do not forget to opt for the Honeymoon Deluxe room, wherein you can gaze the snow-clad Himalayan peaks and lush green valleys from the windows of your room. You can also request the hotel to set up a private dinner for you and your loved one when you're visiting this hotel. The rooms here are priced at about 2,700 which goes up to 5,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. The Groom Bridge is next up on our list. This hotel is 15 minutes away from the Mall Road. The hotel provides with a shared lounge and a terrace. You can also enjoy the buffet breakfast every morning at the Groom Bridge. The restaurant here provides extremely excellent food and it provides 24-hour room service. The Groom Bridge also has options of family rooms. The rooms here are extremely spacious and comfortable. They are priced at about 5,500 which goes up to 7,500 depending upon the room category that you select. And to make it easier for you, we have attached the links in our description below. That's it from us guys. This is the top best hotels in Mall Road in Shimla. We hope we've helped you select the best hotel for your stay. Don't forget to check the links in our description below for your direct booking.